Good morning, Pawpaw Sammy here. I got up this morning to check my comments on my YouTube channel, which is what I do every morning. I check all my comments and I try to answer them and keep up to date. So anyway, I got up, I answered my comments. Went to check my watch hours, I couldn't find them. And not knowing what's going on, I reached out to my daughters. I have two of them have YouTube channels. Both of them monetized, and one of them doing quite well with the channel. And I asked him, what in the world is going on? I can't find my watch hours. Well, come to find out, this morning, I am now monetized on YouTube. I started this channel, my granddaughter and I did 3 years ago, 3 plus 4, whatever. Strictly as an educational and something to do in my retirement. With vermiculture, bees, gardening, basically anything that I figured people would enjoy watching. So, bottom line is, I want to thank all my subscribers, all my viewers from all over the world, because I have them from India, UK, New Zealand, Australia, or even Russia or China, and India. I want to thank all the people that has commented and reached out to me. Thank you. Uh, I got to go to church tonight. My grandson is doing a musical at church. So all the girls are coming. I got 3 daughters, 8 granddaughters, 1 great granddaughter, and another great granddaughter on the way. I also have grandsons and great grandsons, but we are vastly outnumbered. What I'm leading up to is when the girls get here, oh, I know they're going to want to do a big video. I mean, Luke the Duke, playing the highway and all this other good stuff. But anyway, thank y'all. Like and subscribe.